We need to find the students. That view from National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang. The minister says many students who stopped attending school are now at risk of becoming gang members. It is why he said the government has committed another program to go in search of the students and get them back into the classroom. More in this report from Dwayne Anderson.
Yet another effort to find students who have stopped attending school, especially since the pandemic. The first major effort was led by the Ministry of Education, but now the National Security Ministry is getting involved.
For those who may not be at school, let us know. The Ministry of National Security, while spearheading the effort in the communities we are looking at, and the South London area is part of it, right across South London, we'll have social workers interacting with your school students, with the teachers in the school, it's especially your guidance counselor and your principal, not only to resolve some of the challenges you may be faced with, but to work with you to ensure we find the students who need to be brought to school.
It is not clear how many students are missing from schools, but Dr. Horace Chang says the future of many of the country's youth could depend on the program, as the students who quit school are often recruited by criminal networks. He says community members must also get serious and play their part in ensuring students attend school.
If you see your neighbor's child not attending school, let us somebody through the school system know, whether it is your education officer and in particular your principal or guidance counselor.
The National Security Minister was speaking at the Bustamante High School in Southern Clarendon at the launch of the crime prevention program titled Live Good.
The Live Good messaging is very simple. We expect our citizens to live with each other without violence. To live with each other, and as the good book says, the Bible says, your brother's keeper, and in this case, your brother and sister's keeper. What really, without going to this, say to work with the students, I see the schools literally as a gateway to the community. The challenges you face in the community, we'll see them coming through the school. And we are here to work with the teachers and the students to help to restore the kind of live good relationship we want in the community.
The program will, among other things, use music, sports and other cultural elements to get students engaged. The minister, in the meantime, promised assistance for the Bustamante High School.
I understand you need some expansion, Mr. Evans, and we're working with you because part of our visit here is to look at the challenge you have at the school and to what extent we can work with you to overcome them and ensure the students in South Clarendon and Southeast Clarendon from the surrounding area will receive the opportunities that they require.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.